What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you Momotube review. Is Momowatch legit? So, you might be wondering if Momotube here or Momowatch is actually legit. Well, there are going to be some details that you need to learn here. So, let's go ahead and start with what is Momotube? So Momotube actually allows you to earn $20 per day. So in this case, you just need to start watching videos and do simple tasks. Now the thing with this one, this is just their claim. So yeah, so in this case, you also have the option to start referring friends here, and they could also start earning here on their platform. But again, it's their claim here. Now they also offer a $8 sign up bonus here when you sign up to the platform itself. So it actually sounds easy, but there's actually a few more details they need to know here. Now, how does it actually work? So you actually sign up through a referral link here, and you just basically get the bonus itself. Now from that on, you could go and start watching videos, start completing tasks here, and earn money. But then again, like what I said before, there's still a catch here. So you need to reach at least level 4 and have at least like around $30 before you can start withdrawing anything from your account. So this actually makes it quite difficult for many users to cash out their earnings, which is something going to be that you need to understand here. Now, there are some red flags here that you may want to on their basically know. So first, while the site has some positive aspects like it's secure, it uses HTTPS connection, and also it uses like a firmware payment method here, which includes like PayPal and bank transfers. There are going to be some major concerns. So first is the owner's identity is actually hidden here. So which is common red flag for scams out there. And also the website is very new with little history. So in this case, it's not yet that trusted. It's new, so obviously it might be a scam. So it's up to you if you want tag that as that is. But in this case, and also many users report issues with not getting paid or being unable to withdraw their earnings. And also the referral system here seems like a pyramid scheme here, pushing users to recruit other users and basically gaining or pulling in people in here and just do random task here, which in this case, if you're going to do task here and it's going to be hard for you to withdraw, it might be a red flag or major red flag here that you need to basically keep in mind. Now, most online reviews and in this case scam alert sites here warn against Momotube or Momowatch. Now, users actually report that their earnings disappear and tasks vanish, or they never actually get their money. In this case, this results in low trust score across scam checking websites, which in this case might be a red flag again. So, in this case, while the idea of earning money by watching videos is quite tempting here, Momotube shows too many red flags here to be trusted. So if something is promising huge rewards with little effort here, it usually is too good to be true. So in this case, avoid wasting your time or money on this type of platforms. But if you want to still try the platform itself, you could go ahead and do that. But just keep in mind of the details and some points out we made before. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.